Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Delilah. If you don't know already, look at those nails. Crusty, disgusting. We're back with another nail tutorial. So first we're going to start out with the Sally Hansen cuticle remover. This is how we're going to prep our nails. Take a cuticle pusher and push those cuticles back. I'm so high in here, smoking on this weed. And if necessary, you're going to get rid of any excess cuticles. This is so that when we apply the nails, it can have a nice clean surface. So now with your drill, you're going to take each and every nail that you're going to apply and you're going to buff the inside. Then you're going to nail prep with this dehydrator. Next, go in with your protein bond. This is going to help with nail retention. Go in with your nail glue. I'm using Beetles and apply a nice thin layer. You're going to cure that. Sorry that the camera's so blurry. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm sorry, but I just put like a nice thin layer where I buffed the nail and a ball of glue. And then I'm gonna press the, oh, this is so confusing. I don't know how to explain it, but just watch what I'm doing. When you're anchoring the nail down, you want to hold it at an angle, and then you're going to see the glue spread, but you don't want it to, you see how like the glue kind of spilled out of my cuticle a little bit? I put way too much glue. So this is kind of like trial and error. You just have to figure out the right amount of glue and the right amount of pressure to put on the nail. Now I'm going in with a nail clipper and I'm just clipping the sides to give that nice pointy edge. Going in with my nail file to create the shape that I want. I don't know why, but this is one of my favorite parts when I'm doing gel X nails. You take your buffer and you just buff your entire nail. I don't know why, it's so satisfying. You buff your cuticles a little bit, you buff the entire nail. I don't know. But you're just gonna do this to each and every nail, and you want to make sure that nothing is clear or translucent. You want everything to look nice and buffed. That's all I'm saying. It's me and you, we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed. Told him don't take a shot on 3. Told him drinks is on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. He said now go and take a shot on me. I'm using a Beetles gel nail polish, and this is like a sheer color, like a very sheer white with a tiny bit of pink. Cure that for about 60 seconds, and you're gonna apply a second coat and repeat. Now we're gonna try and create these tortoise nails. I'm using mostly Beetles polish. No, this isn't sponsored. This was just the first nail polish brand that I ever tried, and I like it. So now we're gonna go in with a brown gel polish, and that's gonna be our base color.
I'll keep it simple, baby. I'ma keep it simple with you, baby. You know I don't ever play with games. You know I don't ever complicate it. Got to feel the some type of way, concentrating, concentrating on the way. Keep the rhythm. Oh God, magic. You came through with the sativa. In the cookie, having me stuck. You know just how to keep me up. You know it, better believe it. Oh yeah, get ready.
You're gonna cure that and go in again with a second coat. So this is a cool part. We're gonna use blooming gel. This is what's gonna give like that spreaded out look. So we're gonna use two different colors from Beetles. We're gonna use a darker brown and then a black. We're gonna apply the blooming gel where the brown is, but I wish I could have applied it throughout the whole nail because when it cured, it just looked funny. So now applying the darker brown, I'm just doing random spots, and then the blooming gel is gonna create like its own shape for it, and it looks so cool. Cure that. And then with blooming gel, you want to make sure that you're wiping it with alcohol. Go in with the blooming gel one more time, and then you're gonna do the black dots. Cure that, and then you're gonna wipe again with alcohol.
Told them drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. I said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug a bitches on is the tree.
So I looked up how to make the color brown because I don't have Airbrush specifically in a color brown. So they say to equally put in parts of primary colors, and that's what I did, but it came out more red, but that's okay. So we're going to be using a airbrush machine to create these aura nails. I feel like that's the easiest way, and I thought these airbrush machines were super expensive. They're not. This one was only like $30 from Amazon. So you see how I'm moving the airbrush machine? Like I want everything to look very soft. I don't want any harsh lines, and I'm pressing the trigger very, very lightly.
I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed, I can contain it.
Cure that for about 60 seconds. Sorry again for the blurriness, but we're gonna take some rhinestone glue, and this is where I'm gonna make my gold frame, and then I'm taking a very thin like liner brush, and I'm just kind of like smoothing that out a bit.
I'ma keep it simple with you, baby. You know I don't ever play with games. You know I don't ever complicate it. Got to feel the some type of way,
so for this part, I would say don't use a chrome powder unless you have a really good one. I bought these cheap ones from Amazon and I regret it. So if you have like a good quality one, or if you have like a liquid chrome, that would be a lot better. So now you're going to take your nail glue and you're going to apply that in the areas where you did the tortoise French, and I'm just going to apply some studs. my god. And then the best part, the finishing gel, the top coat. We are done. Oh my god, I love doing my nails, but when I tell you, girl, you take forever, like hours, to do your nails. But the more you practice, the faster you get and the better you get.
Smoking weed out the container.
So we're done with the tutorial, but it's been about 2 weeks since I had these nails, so they're not completely fresh. I forgot to film the outro. These are what the nails are looking like. These are the nails. Super cute. I don't know what to call these. This is my first time trying tortoise nails. Is that what they call it? Like this one. I really thought that this was leopard print or cheetah print. I feel like mine is giving leopard or cheetah print. It's not giving tortoise at all. And then I gave a little bit of aura, a nice aura nail with the airbrush. And I tried to do, like, you know how people have been doing like that antique gold frame looking thing. So that's what I try to do. So like I said, it's been 2 weeks and they're still holding up really strong. I'm so proud of myself because usually one of them will be popped off already, but I did a really good job with these. Thank you so much, you guys, for showing me so much love on my last nail tutorial. That's why I decided to make another one, because I'm like, oh my god, you guys really like these, and I love doing my nails, and I thought it was just boring. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.